So you can see something.
Yeah. This is what we call Ikosohedron, which is, it's got 20 facets and represents the element of water. Now, what makes difference this platonic solid than anything else? This has got a interconnected lines there, which works as a time. It's got a 60 lines, which is connected to its point, which is the second and the minutes of the hour, and it's 12, which is the 12 months of the year, and there's a 30 points, which is, it goes back to the 27, 28, you know, the lunar calendar. And this one here, it's something I need to manufacture on each individual's birthday. This one here took a little bit longer than what I was expecting, because I don't really know what color will be gold, silver, just copper. I have no idea. Only at the time of the construction really this happened. And this one here, it happened to be on the lunar calendar, which is we had a last week, and it took me a very long time to construct that, because it just comes as, because I actually incorporate the two birth dates into one, and it was very surprised for me, because I didn't know it would be gold, and it took me a long time to actually make it dry. Actually, it's still wet a little bit. So it was a bit of a surprise. But this is with the crystal here sits in the center of that. This is what creates really, it neutralizes negative energies. Now, when you're in the surround, because this is really, it's approximately about 1 acre radius, and it's tested by Skeptic Society. Serious. I had two people, you know, every year they come in, because we used to have we used to go to the shows, a mind, spirit, body, whatever names really was, any shows, we used to go there to actually present those ones. We're the first people who had the Skeptic Society, because they're curious to know what's available, what's now new. And anyway, this is something, one of the platonic solids I'm creating, and we found this is one of the most appropriate for individuals that actually were looking for the harmony. They're looking for something really easygoing in their lives, and we experiment many times, because we have one of those at home for the last 29 years. And our house used to be, many years ago, a clinic where we used to have from heroin addicts to mentally disturbed, and never once really a stagnant energy remained in our house. Never once. And people always be surprised, you know, they can't even have a clinic to actually have people to not to be able to disturb them. We never had that. So for years really I'm making those ones, and we ship them all over the world. I wasn't never advertised, ever. So people always used to know and really refer from one to another.
Little old one.
Yeah. So this is something. It's a very. It looks, and people always, they're not interested in any of that. So it's a very good ornament. You know, you can hang on the ceiling, and it looks very nice, and the sparks really. Normally, children feel this energy. They feel on the legs. They feel on the legs. The first thing they're always looking down, like where the cold energy comes, and have no idea. They're just passing by, and first thing they're looking at their legs.
Thank you. And why?